Okay, well, this is my bare face, no makeup, no skincare, nothing. I have tied my hair up, and to be very honest, I haven't washed my hair since a very long time. Now I'm not sure if the focus is on me or the background. I have put up a background light behind me and also that candle. This is my outfit, and I'll show the entire outfit later in this video. Okay, I have kept all the stuff that I need right beside me. I am really liking that candle wala light right behind me. Like, really, it's cool. But अगर वो जलने लग जाए वहाँ पे the wallpaper, please let me know, okay? Because मैं तो makeup करने में busy रहूँगी and I wouldn't be knowing if that is burning. Super excited to make a makeup video. I know I look extremely bad right now because I'm shooting this video at 1:52. Not like I'm a professional makeup artist. I know how to look presentable. So let's do our festive look. Let's just first begin with this face mist. I really love the spray wale toners because it's fun. It's fun to do it. And I have put it in this bottle because I was traveling and I wanted to carry a little bit compact cheese which is easy to carry right while traveling. So मैंने इसमें डाल दिया था and I'm still using this only. It feels good. अगर आपको फेस में मेकअप करते वक्त यहाँ वहाँ कोई कमियाँ दिख गई कि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग गया, यहाँ पे कम लग गया है, तो यू गाइज कैन इग्नोर दैट बिकॉज इट हैपन्स. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग इन द कैमरा, आई एम लुकिंग इन द बैक कैमरा. यहाँ पे मिरर है जिस पर रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग. बट स्टिल इट्स नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज. बट या प्लीज इग्नोर एंड अंडरस्टैंड. And once I'm done applying this, I also love to apply my lip plumper. Main thing is lip balm apply करो, ठीक है. मैंने lip plumper ले लिया था, तो I am using that. Where is it? Wait, जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिलता है. We finally found it. This is the lip injection from Too Faced. It's like जब तक हम मेकअप कर रहे तब तक my lips are ready for all the lip products. You know what? I saw this. मुझे ये दिखा सर्च करते करते these are the eye lens. और तब मुझे याद आया कि वेदिका थोड़ा तो लेंस लावायचे होते आणि ते विसरली आहेस. But I have an excuse that is मैं beginner friendly makeup बता रही हूँ, तो beginner लोग लेंस वेंस क्यों लगाते रहेंगे? Correct. Forget about it. Next step is to apply this strobe cream which is from MAC with moisturizer. ये moisturizer भी मैंने ऐसे छोटू सी बॉटल में ऐड किया था because I told you that I was traveling. अगर आपको detailed video चाहिए for my skin care or my prep makeup, let me know. तो मैं पूरे products के साथ I would make a detailed video on that. I'll add this strobe cream. छोटू सा मैंने ऐड कर दिया है. ब्रश या फिर स्पॉन्ज नहीं लेती हूँ मैं इसके लिए. I directly do it with my fingers. ठीक है, and add it. Apply. Now the thing is, I'm not going to use a foundation. Okay, a foundation नहीं use करने वाली हूँ. I'm only going to use a concealer. So this look is going to be without a foundation. So I'm making sure I have prepped my eyes with an eye cream. फिर मैं concealer लगाऊंगी. For the concealer, I am using this Maybelline का Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer on my face. You see how I'm using it only under my eyes. पहले थोड़ा सा लगा लेते हैं, फिर वो अच्छे से स्मर्ज कर लेते हैं. Then अगर ज़रूरत पड़े वापस से लगाओ. Since I'm going to do a beautiful eye makeup as well, so I am trying to apply this concealer over my eyes also. Eyelids pe you can see it's just like a good shade. See? Okay, I believe this is the only concealer that I need on my face. बस इससे ज़्यादा और नहीं दिखाने वाले, or else it's going to be भूतिया and बहुत white हो जाएगा. This is what I believe. तो इतना ही कंसीलर मैं लगाने वाली हूँ. I have also applied it over my eyelids and also under my eyes. Little bit here for that highlight वाला purpose. Okay, using my compact powder to let my concealer sit. Okay. ठीक है, excess वाला निकाल दिया. I'll only apply it under my eyes. And over my eyes. I will be using this brush. Firstly, I will just contour my face with the same brush. Is it good? Next step is to apply the blush. Go with this one. Start from here. Properly. I have blush blindness and I love applying a lot of blush. The same blush brush I'll use it over my chin, over my nose. Yeah. I think I'm done with my blush. I have this purple birds on my outfit. I'll be using base makeup of purple because मैं एक holographic eyeshadow pencil या फिर pen whatever it is वो use करने वाली हूँ, which is in the shade of teal, like green वाला shade है वो. So I believe this would go perfectly well for the base of the eyeshadow. Using my eyeshadow brush, I'll just tap it in. Remove the excess. I'll do it from outer to inner. I'm not sure if this looks good. I'll do the same on this eye. I think I've done a pretty good job applying ये eyeshadow का base. This was the only thing for my eyeshadow. फिर वो जो holographic pencil है वो हम बाद में use करते हैं because that is like a highlight वाला thing है ना. Now what I'll do is apply kajal. Use this kajal pencil. This is from Lotus Eco Stay Kajal. I don't know इसका क्या हो जाता है, इसका मतलब वो टूट जाता है. Every time I sharp and keep this, it's broken time I wanna use it. My power bank just went off. I'll be back, guys. I've applied the kajal. We will not be applying eyeliner because we have to apply the holographic eyeliner. I'll use this stamp. Firstly, I'll just brush off my eyebrows. The moment of truth. This is how both of my eyebrows look. This is the second eyebrow. ये मैंने दूसरी बार किया था, ये मैंने पहली बार किया था. I look like the sister of Jatayu. This is a joke. थोड़ा तो fix हो गया क्या ये? What's wrong with my power bank? The power bank is charged and I'm back again. And hopefully मैंने ये ठीक कर दिए हैं. Now it's time for our lip makeup. I have this blush velvet lipstick from Mars. Alright, and it's in the shade of purple. But ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा tart. I am not going to line my lips before applying the lipstick. I mean जो usually लोग करते हैं. I will line them after. This is so like velvet की तरह. I think I look like a goth. I'm not sure if I must keep this lipstick. Should I remove this? I guess yeah. Main highlight of our festive look is our eyes. पर ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark हो रहा है. I can't. Wet tissues are a savior always. It started raining again. Perfect. I'll just use my lip liner. Lip liner would be of the dark shade. I'll obviously blend them together. This is what my lips look like right now. I'll apply this lip gloss. It looks good now, right? Thank you. Finally, it's time for that holographic eyeliner and our eye look. Pen or pencil. The shade is 03 Tundra Till. I'll apply it. Let's see. Wait, it's not time for this eyeliner. We'll add this later. अब मतलब jewelry पहनना बाकी है, बिंदी बाकी है. I have kept my box of accessories ready. Bindi and like everything. Bindi, I'm gonna put up this blue one. This is so good. For my neck piece, I have this oxidized one. It's like a choker. Look, it's so, oh my god, so good. How does it look? These are the options. This is the first option. No, both the colors look different. This is dark and this is light. I'm not gonna wear it. These are matching ones but does not go with this necklace. So no more this. Then we have this. So ये problem हो रहा है. It is not matching with my necklace. Then we have these. I think it goes perfectly fine with my necklace also. What do you think? I'm gonna go with these earrings. It's festive time, guys. You need to go all in. For the bangles, it's festive time. Okay. It's time for the holographic eyeliner. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I'm pretty sure कि आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful रहा हो. And if this video has helped you a lot, give it a big thumbs up and do share this video with all your friends.